Greeting coding by Sharma here from Credit and welcome to the 28th and testing episode of our JavaScript series. Today we are owning our navigation skill in the mystical realm of document object model, and you can also say DOM. We will unveil the secrets of the matches, closest and contains method, spells that guide us through the enchanted forest with precision. So grab your coding vents and let navigate DOM like true wizards. The power of matches finding elements with precision. So in our adjusted script, precision is key. The matches method allows us to find element this precisely match a specified selector. So here we have the power selector. We will just comment it out and make a index.html, and with the index.html we will link script file, and here we will make some elements on this example, adjusted and visible. So if I make here adjusted id and write anything like lorem 10 and make a element with a class visible and write anything like 20. So here we have, if adjusted element matches visible, then it will print this, the adjustment element is visible, otherwise it will print adjustment is failed. So the elements are not same, so I hope this will print the else element. So let's see. In the console we will see it will not getting this. So first we will make this like visible is matches and adjusted then this is right, let's adjusted element document this and adjustment matches this visible. So first we will make this adjusted, like we'll give a id also here, adjusted, and you can see the adjusted it failed is printing. So if I give a class to it visible, then you can see the adjusted element is visible because the class name of both are similar and id name both the are similar. If I cancel this id, then adjusted element is visible because the both class names are matches. I hope you are getting this. If I remove this and give a id name adjustment, then you can see this is not getting because the adjusted element is visible because this is matches this id and this class. If I remove this class, the adjusted is failed. I hope you are getting this. The matches method checks if an element matches a specified selector. So first we will comment this and remove this. I hope you are getting. So next is closest, guided navigation through the adjusted forest. As we journey through the adjusted forest, the closest method acts as our guiding span, leading us to the nearest adjusted that matches a specified selector. So here we have the example. So first we will comment out this. So here we have magical link and adjusted container. First we will make this. First we have a magical link and another we have a adjusted. So we'll make a span here and give the class name adjusted container. So in this span we will write anything like credit So here enchested container. So if nearest enchested, so it will print we have reached the enchested container. Otherwise it will print enchested includes us in this direction. So it is printing this because the nearest element is not get reached. So if I make this same element like magical link, then it will print the if statement. You can see we have reached the ingested container. I hope you are getting this. So let's comment out this. Let's comment this. And the closest methods research is for the nearest ancestor that matches a specified selector. It returns the ancestor element or null if no match is found. So contain method. So now we have a contains method. It's like diving spell, allowing us to discover if one element is descended of another. Contains method discovering magical element within the. So here we have this. So first we will comment out this and comment out this. So if ingested container, we have a query using query selector. We have this class name ingested container. First we will make this in the index.html. Ingested container, and in this we want to make a ingested. So I will write anything like that, and here we have if ingested container contains ingested element, then it will print console log the ingested element within the ingested container. So ingested container is containing ingested element. You can see this here. This is ingested container and it is containing the ingested element. I hope you are getting. So it will print the if statement, the ingestment element within the ingested container. If I remove this element, then it will print another statement. The ingested is beyond our current tense perception. I hope you are getting this. So that concludes our magical exploration of the matches closest and contains method in the DOM. If you found this spell intriguing, hit the like button, subscribe for more coding magic, and share your thought in the comments below. In our next video, we will continue our journey through the ingested script of the DOM, uncovering more mysteries and mastering the art of precision in our web ingested. Until then, may your matches be precise, your navigation be guided, and happy coding.